Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And we got ourselves kind of a cool little unit here, kind of like these trucks. This one's a 2019, and she is a Freightliner. Yeah, I know, she's a little Freightliner, but she's a Freightliner nevertheless. This is a 2500 series extended length high top Sprinter van. 2019, pretty van. Good looking unit, I like it. A lot of headroom, a lot of stuff there. Tires on it are good. I don't think you need to do anything with that on it at all. It's such a nice little thing. Boy, that's a big van. You got a lot of room to have that wrapped or get your company name on it, whatever you're gonna do with it. Pretty little unit. Boy, big white truck. Can't hardly see him going down the road there. It's a nice little unit. It's got a little step bumper on it right there so you can get in and out of it. Now, it's got one of them there, but the camera or the monitor is not in there. So, but look at this. That's pretty cool. I like the way the doors swing all the way open. A lot of entrance room here. That gives you this whole width right there. You got the tie-down racks along the side. You got a little insulation in there. You got LED lighting all over the place on it. It's got a, I don't know, a fiberboard floor on it. And you got tie downs. You got one there, one there, one there, one there. Wow, there's a lot of them. It's like 6 or 8 of them, maybe, something like that. Nice little thing. It's got little grab handles here so you can get out of it. And look at how tall that is. Man, you won't have any trouble getting in and out of there. I'm just barely under 6 foot tall myself, and there's plenty of room. No issues at all. There's your inside release if you got to get out from the inside. Nice big taillight system on it, body rub guards on it, nice piece. Tires on it. Yeah, they're good. Got the big wide sliding door on it. Man, that thing is huge. You can put a washing machine through there. That's a big opening. You got the grab bar right there. It looks like there's probably some safety flares in that box right down there for you already. Nice little piece. Very thin. Nicely done. You got the little doorway there, the cage to keep the stuff from rolling up front and hitting you if you have to slam on the brakes. It's got the nice cloth interior. It's got reclining seats, reclining here, reclining there. Oh, that's probably lumbar. Those are nice seats. I like those. I never just noticed that. Look at there. Fold down armrests on both sides. Nice piece. Beverage holders. And of course, clean, 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 clean. Doesn't look like it's hardly been used, does it? Look at there. Power locks, power windows. Yep. Nice setup. It's got the cute little turn signals in the mirrors right there. Good looking unit. Pretty straight, actually. It's got a few little dimples and dents and, you know, kind of stuff. You probably noticed them as I walked around. It's not new, but boy, it's pretty close. Locks, windows, automatic headlights on it. Nice seats. I like the seats. Overhead area right there. You got your sound system built in right there. And I assume it works. I haven't tried. Yep. Okay. Turn the heater down. We don't need that on. And we don't really need the music on. So there's a little cell phone holder right there. Just something somebody added to it. It's clean. Hey, and look at that. It's got those fancy little key fob deals there. I don't know if you can see them. Let me see if I can get to, there you go. You got the key fob type things. No more keys, guys. And cruise controls built into the steering wheel. Horn works. And look at here. So you got a built-in thermometer right there. There's your depth gauge on top, fuel gauge down there, and 40,000 miles. Wow. This thing has hardly been broke in. Can you see that okay? Let me see if I can shade that for you a little bit. There you go. Maybe that'll help. So right there, you got a whole 40,000 miles on it. Nice, nice, nice truck. 2019 Freightliner, guys. Got all the right stuff on it. 40,000 miles. Got the little 3-liter diesel motor in it. Turbocharged. Nice little truck. So, 2019 Freightliner. Sprinter 2500 series high top, extra long. Give me a call if you can use that truck. My cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as usual, I greatly appreciate you looking.